welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. If you're coming back, welcome back, you guys. What I have today for you is a quick haul from the Daiso store near me, and weird, so exciting. So we recently found out that there's one store here in Arizona called Cuties that sells Japanese Daiso items, and we're so excited. We really wanted to go to Japan in 2020, and you know what happened. And then we really want to go to Japan in 2021, but you know what's happening. So I don't know if we'll actually get to go. So it was really exciting to hear about the store, go to the store, check it out, and find Disney items. Yay! So I obviously had to buy a couple. It was like $1.50. Everything in the store was exceptions. It was so exciting. There was a lot of people, so I just snatched things up and left because it is a very tiny store if you're gonna go check it out. But I'm so excited. Let me just go ahead and go with it. So first thing I bought, well, technically my husband bought, were chips. And so there's a bunch of snacks there at the store. And you can find these snacks at other places. I know here we have a place called Lulu's Market that sells a lot of Asian type products, but you can pretty much go to your local markets that are specific to the region and buy these chips. So he got the white ramen snacks artificial chicken flavor. I have a bad I'm really picky, and we had some chicken flavored chips when we were in Paris and I hated them. So anything that says chicken flavor, I'm like, oh, I'd rather just have the chicken. And then he also bought these. Not sure what these are. They look like corn snacks of some sort. There's chili on there. Grill corn, they're called. Mala flavored. Or mala flavored. I don't know. They look hot. But I'm sure he'll have an exciting time. So there it is. Let me know if you want me to take you to the store. Maybe I'll buy different snacks and do like a trying snacks video. I am really picky. So I'm going to tell you right away. I'll probably will hate everything. But I'll try it if you want me to try it. And it's worth trying. There might be things that I absolutely love. So those are the snack department. I also wanted to show you what things that are not Disney really quickly. So this is something my husband bought. He wants a Shiba Inu so bad. We have a cat, Marceline. I'll put her picture. You probably met her if you watch my videos. But he wants a Shiba Inu so bad. But Marcy doesn't play well with other animals. And I don't know that I'm ready for that commitment yet. Marcy's perfect. She like sleeps most of the day, and then she cuddles the rest of the day. She's perfect. So I don't know if I want to jinx that. But he got a little decoration for his desk. It's just a bubblehead animation ornament of a Shiba Inu. Look how cute. So this will be cute, and it'll hold him for now until, I don't know, he asks me again. Something else that is not Disney, I'm trying to find it, is this page holder. Speaking of cats. It was too amazing not to pass. I like reading here and there, and right now I don't have any classes, which is really weird for me. Again, if you're new to my channel, I have 4 degrees, and this is the first time I'm not in college since forever. So I can actually read like fun books. And so we saw this page holder and I had to get it. So it holds your pages as you read it, because that is so annoying when you grab the book like this, or like this, I guess it would be my right hand, and it just holds it for you. And it's a cat, and you already know Marcy's gonna be playing with the tassels. But I'm really excited. The weather is getting really nice here in Arizona, so maybe I'll go outside and read a book, and all these hopes. Let me see if there's anything else that is not Disney. I think everything else is Disney, so let's go ahead and get to it. So first thing I want to show you is these towels. So as I was prepping us to go to Japan, because whenever we go anywhere I watch YouTube videos, just like you're probably watching this one, because I'm trying to prep for it, I learned that you need a washcloth, because not every bathroom has like here we are known to paper towels in the air dryers, but there I guess you just not walk around, but you carry your own washcloth to dry your hands. So I was like, oh, so cute, like that we can have already a pair, so when we go we're prepared, and then we'll probably buy more while we're there. But this is Brendan's. It's just a simple Mickey one, little washcloth, and it's really cute because they have some that are just made for kids. I don't know, you would have to tell me this if you ever went to Japan, lived in Japan, but I'm assuming that they take their little washcloths to school and they keep it there, and that's like their personal like washcloth. I don't know, but it's not really cute, and it says Daiso on the back. So adorable. I got this pink mini one. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so I went ahead and opened mine, And there is Mickey running. It says, hope I get there for somebody beats me to it. This is perfect for the bathroom. Hope I get there for somebody beats me to it. Right? This is such a bathroom staple piece. So true. More like snacks though. You know when like there's free snacks at work and you're like, oh, better get there. At least teachers are like that. I don't know. When they're like free bagels, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to go now. I need to find my wheat one. All right, moving on. I've got these like well, what are they calling? Blotting papers, but they're Mickey. I already have blotting papers. I'm not as oily as I was when I was like in high school and I really needed these blotting papers. But from time to time, it's nice. And definitely if you ever go to Florida, it's really nice to have them because oil seeps everywhere or sweat. And these little things are so nice. And because they're Disney, I was like, I have to get them and take them to the park. Everything has to be Disney themed if I go to the park. But this is what it looks like. It's just little Mickey in the back. Mickey. And then if you open it up, it's just blotting papers. If you've never seen blotting papers, you take one out. There's Mickeys on it. Oh, you guys can see them. Yay. Do you guys see that? His little shorts, his little thumbs up, his footprint, his like head. That is so cute. And then you just blot. You just blot. And you just blot. I don't know if I want to show you what it looks like. Might as well commit to this, huh? I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, you can see it! Ew. I probably got some makeup out of it, but that's pretty much how they work. You just blot and then it takes away all the shininess. But that's it. But it's so cute. I think it's even cuter that it has this little figure. All right, moving on. I have these little containers. I had to get them. And they had quite a bit of kitchen stuff. I did do a short. If you want to check it out, I'll link it at the end of this video of just a couple of aisles that they had. But if you ever want me to do a video, like a live video of me going to the store or a video of me just like walking you through the store and all the items, I would happily do that. Just let me know. But it is 4 containers. I thought these would be great for portion control, especially with like peanuts, because I really like cashews and things like that, and it's a good source of like protein in here, but they're super high on calories and I need to control because those are so easy to eat. This is still probably a little too big for the portion, but I would think about half of it would be the right portion for like mixed nuts. But it's just really cute. It has Mickey's face on this one. This one has like little Mickey's. And then the black ones repeat with Mickey's face and then little Mickey's. But again, baby carrots would fit perfectly in this. That's another snack I like. Not that I need to portion those. Baby carrots are great on calories. I'm like getting too distracted. But that's what I got them for, $1.50. Come on. Even if I don't want them for portion control, Q-tips or, you know, I don't know. Yes. All right, let's go on to the stationery. I have 4 items left. I have these little sticky notes with Mickey's face. There were so many of these. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get the Monsters Inc. ones, but it's just Mickey making different faces. So he's like happy and sad, and I need to take it out of the packaging because the ring light is really bright on there. But let me show you. Hold on. So there's Mickey's faces. So he's like excited and sad and sleepy. It's like the 7 Dwarfs, but Mickey style. But I thought this was really cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for because everything's digital. But if I ever do go back to school, maybe I'll use it on papers and it'll be really cute. Or my books. I don't know. So cute. Couldn't pass it up. The next thing I have is this pencil pouch, which I thought was so interesting. They had different ones. I ended up with this one. But it's like it says utility pouch or pencil pouch. So that's what the packaging looks like. Monsters Inc. Multi-purpose case. And then again, it has that and the Daiso logo. This one looks a little bit different, so I wonder if it's a little bit older. But it's just a little pouch where you can just put, you know, your things. It holds scissors. There you go. It's for my scissors, for my unboxings. I'll be dramatic every time I unbox now and take them out. That's a little dangerous. We'll see. But it's so cute. It has the Monsters Inc. Sully, Mike, and Boo. But Boo looks a little bit different. I like this version of her. It's like an animated version of her. It has Ross and then the 2319 guys. It says, oh, Randall is on the top, Celia is on the top. I'm surprised that I know their names, but so cute. I just couldn't pass it up. Imagine looking for a pen before a meeting in my pencil pouch. Just really cute. And you can open it fully, like open wide up. I don't know why you would want to, but so cute. The next thing I have is this pen. Yes, as you can tell, I really like Pixar stuff. So I have this alien pens. Aliens have become my best friends. It is a 38mm pen. I don't know if that matters to anyone. There was a lot of different pens, but I ended up with the alien one because they're my favorite. So it's just a pen. Ooh. Very cute. So cute. I say grade. Great job. Or when I write you guys, thank you for writing me. But there it is. So cute. I mean, come on. This isn't saying I'm here for business. I don't know what is. Alright, and the last thing, I think the thing I'm the most excited about, which is weird and a little bit sad. Does this show my age? It's a box. It is a Monsters Inc. box. Who knew I like Monsters Inc. so much? I did not. But it's so cute. Okay, let me take it out. Give me a second. Alright, so it comes with 2 boxes. This is the little one. And this is a print. I just wanted to show you the print of it. So there's Sully with the door. I think this one's adorable. Randall, Rar. Hi, Mike. No, he says, hi, Sully. Them running away. Randall again, Rar. This one's pretty cute. It would have been even better if they blocked his eye. Oh, I'm getting really close to you guys. My bad. My bad. Personal space, right? Social distancing. It's just really, really cute. Oh, look, there's Boo. There's just so much detail. It's just such a simple box. But I'm going to play with this. Oh, actually, maybe it's just one box and this is the bottom. Is that how it works? I don't know. I'm going to play with it. I'll see what it looks like. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. And that's it. So exciting. Everything was less than $20. Yes. So exciting. Let me know what you like the most. Let me know if there's a store like this near you that sells Daiso products. I also Googled Daiso and it looks like there's an online store, but I don't think they have a lot of the Disney merch on there. But I know, like I said, like there's a store near me called Asian Market, which has a couple of Daiso items for like beauty, nothing Disney. This cutie store is the first one that I find with so many Daiso items. It was amazing and it was $1.50. But yeah, don't forget to check it out if you live in Arizona. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see other content from me. Don't forget to like. It really helps my channel. Hit the bell so you know when my videos come out, although they are coming out every Wednesday and every Saturday. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time.